Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. We start. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, look for the option called disconnect and reset. And once you find it, select it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, if you reset your watch, you will lose all of your data from your watch. So all of your settings, all of your data will be gone. So if you're not sure you want to lose the data, don't reset the watch. If you're sure you don't care, you can tap on the check mark and it will start resetting the device. Okay, and once you see the let's go message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.